everyone! Have you ever wondered about the hidden cost of welding stainless steel? What seems like a simple process can leave behind discoloration, known as welding burn marks, that weakens the metal's strength and appearance. Traditional solutions to clean these marks rely on harmful acids, risking both our health and environment. But what if we tell you that there's a safer, greener, and more affordable way? Welcome to our presentation on Bicarb-Clean Paste, a breakthrough solution based on sodium bicarbonate, or as you might know, baking soda. This innovative paste is not only effective but a step towards sustainable industrial practices. Let's dive deeper into the science and application of this eco-friendly marvel.
To truly test the Bicarb-Clean Paste, we designed a comprehensive experiment. First, we prepared stainless steel samples with welding burn marks on them. Then we applied the paste, allowing it to react for a specified time before rinsing the surface with water.
The paste works by neutralizing the oxide layers, including chromium oxide and iron oxide, which form due to welding heat. What sets this apart is that the paste leaves no toxic residue, ensuring that the runoff water is completely safe for disposal. Compared to acid-based methods, this process is not only effective but way more safer and simpler to handle. But does this work as well as acids? Stay tuned because in our discussion, I'll reveal just how effective this innovative solution really is. Let's take a closer look.
As we analyzed the results, the benefits of Bicarb-Clean Paste became crystal clear. Our experiments show complete removal of the welding burn marks, restoring the surface's shine and the corrosion resistance.
And what makes it better is the environmental impact, or rather the lack of it. Unlike acids which generate hazardous waste, Bicarb-Clean Paste produces biodegradable byproducts, which makes it a safer choice for both workers and the planet. In terms of costs, this solution is a game changer. Sodium bicarbonate is inexpensive and widely available, making it reduce operational costs significantly. With these promising results, it's clear that Bicarb-Clean Paste is more than just a cleaner. It's a solution to industries striving to go green.
What we've achieved here is more than just a cleaning paste. It's a step forward in redefining industrial standards. Bicarb-Clean Paste proves that sustainable solutions can also be practical and cost-effective. Through this innovation, we address multiple challenges, restoring stainless steel's appearance, protecting its corrosion resistance, and reducing harmful environmental impact. Our findings highlight that industries no longer have to compromise safety or sustainability to achieve efficiency. This journey is just the beginning, and there's so much more potential for innovations just like this. Let's now explore how we can take this further with our recommendations. As we look ahead, the possibilities of Bicarb-Clean Paste are endless. Industries should explore its scalability for large-scale applications and its adaptability for different welding techniques. Research into optimizing its formulation for faster cleaning or even automated use could unlock new potential. Additionally, we urge industries to prioritize sustainable solutions like this to meet stricter environmental regulations and improve workplace safety. By adopting Bicarb-Clean Paste, companies can lead the way in innovation while contributing to a greener planet. With this, we hope to inspire a shift towards eco-friendly industrial practices, one innovation at a time.